Number 30, which of the following is the graph of the equation y equals 3x minus 1? So there are a couple different ways to graph this. When you first learned how to make graphs, you might have made a table or a process table where you said, okay, well, what if x is -2, -1, 0, 1, or 2? Substituted those values in. And then found the corresponding y values for each of those. So 3 times -2 gives you -6, minus 1 should be -7. 3 times -1 is -3, minus 1 will be a -4. 3 times 0 is 0, minus 1 is -1. 3 times 1 is 3, minus 1 is 2, and 3 times 2 is 6, minus 1 is 5. And then you would have gone ahead and plotted those points. X values along the x-axis, the horizontal line here. So x is -2 would be right here. And then y is -3, and that y is this vertical line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, -7. So this point, x is -2, y is -7. And then at -1, it comes up to -4. And then at 0, it's -1. At 1, it's at 2. At 2, it's at 5, right? And construct your line that way. After you got familiar with that, you might have started graphing by matching this up with y equals mx plus b. So the way to graph this way would be, look at b, that's your starting point. So my graph is going to start at a -1. This is the y value. So not here on the x-axis, but y equals -1. And then used your slope. So my slope here, m equals 3. That's really a 3/1. These are both positive values. So it's going to go up 3 and right 1. 1, 2, 3, right 1. 1, 2, 3, right 1. 1, 2, 3, right 1. And then you'd construct the graph that way. Another way that you can do these, now hopefully you've downloaded your graphing calculator and have started using that. I turn the calculator on, I go to y equals, type in your equation, 3x minus 1, go ahead and hit graph, and it will give you the graphs. You're going to choose the one that matches. If it's close, you say, oh, okay, A and B, those look pretty close. They're both increasing lines, positive slopes. You can press the yellow button and then press graph again, and it'll show you your specific points. So you could say, oh, x is 0, y should be -1. That matches option B. Option A does not match because it's a positive 1 here and 0. So either way, whatever method makes the most sense to you, go ahead and choose that one. Make sure you're showing your work though, so that you can get points for this problem.